Shoot.
They're already scary. Oh yeah, no one messes with mom because she's scary.
Grandma, how grandma said? Do you remember how grandma said? On the moose? But you didn't remember? How grandma said on the moose?
What do you mean?
What she said earlier.
The natural enemy of the moose is the wolf. So they see a dog and they see
Yeah, I said to grandma that.
Can you copy what she said? No.
Like, la, la,
No.
la.
Ano ba, paano pagkakasabi mo, mother? Sa moose?
Spider-Man. Moose.
Hindi. Nung pinalayas mo.
Say, what did you say to me? Yeah. That's why.
No!
And I said to her, don't bark, it makes it worse. She'll go after you because it's the worst enemy of a moose is the wolf.
But the moose left when grandma barked at her.
Because she was making hand motions.
So we remembered from one day to the next, she ran after she heard the shot in the butt.
But she's still here.
Is the shot in the butt is just BB gun, right?
It's a light bird shot. It won't break your skin. That's what I gave you. I'm running out.
Okay.
The other ones I have in there.
So that one is not gonna hurt, just like a pinch.
It won't hurt. It'll sting.
But it's just a pinch for them.
Yes.
But it's not gonna hurt them.
The
Okay.
other stuff I have in there will hurt.
Ano yun, mother?
She'll like die.
Ano sa?
She'll die.
No, it won't break the skin.
Aling kahoy?
No, like the ones inside.
Ayan.
Slugs will.
Will it die?
The slugs.
Okay.
How much do you
So if I had to kill it, I would have to use a slug.
How much would you use?
Wow, that's a lot of cotton wood.
One slug, then another slug, 3 or 4. Then it's dead.
Remember, you had to use like sticks to get down the porcupine.
3. Are you laughing about Dad and his porcupine got stuck in the tree?
That's funny.
So a slug knocked it out. Because a slug is a big old lead ball.
What a porcupine fun though. When you're done, we're gonna go cleaning. That's what happened. And then there's a porcupine right there.
Oh, Dad, can you do the gun there? Why would the gun?
No, it's not. I'm not getting off because I'm Stigma. No, I'm not getting off on Stigma.
Hey, Julie, stay. Get out there.
Oh.
No, Julene, there's a gun. You don't want a gun. Okay, go. Oh, doon on the other side, not cone.
Here you go. Let me sit in my lap.
Yeah.
That's a big hole.
You want some of this? You want some of this? She goes, oh, that hurt. Ready?
No, I want to tell you.
So when you come around,
Juliana, don't scream. No, pabayaan mo. No, do you want Jade to go out? Then now you don't have a friend to play with.
you come across hard.
See, now she's gonna go. See? Don't.
You gotta do it real fast because they're right. They're coming at you.
Careful, the moose might be there listening. The moose might be there.
No, do you want the dishes? You want to do like this, and you like under this part right here, and then they'll get paralyzed for like seconds. This trick.
Really? What is that?
You slide and then you go bum bum bum, and then they fall over.
Oh, really? What is that for?
Have you been watching too many cartoons?
No,
Hey, look, Mom, a different sweater.
Oh, wow.
Hey, look, Mom.
A
different-
different shirt.
It's not a suntan.
Look at my tan.
Hey, look at that. It's a sunburn that,
Who's darker, me or you? Hold your arm up.
Who got sunburn?
that you're the sunburn.
Who's whiter?
Hey. Oh, you got a tan?
See?
I'm having a good tan.
Jade wins $10 because she says I have a tan.
Nice.
Just kidding. But I got a bunch of old.
Wait, Mom owes me $20, so you owe me $20.
Here, I'll give you all the money. Here you go.
There's nothing in your pocket, it's only trash.
She doesn't want you to leave.
What are you
Yan.
doing? Look at she's laying in her hole.
Yeah. Is she pooping? I think she's pooping.
that way the poop